A ladder diagram is a blueprint of the electrical components within a system. Ladder diagrams will have a diagram and a legend. See the picture to the right for an example of a ladder diagram. Ladder diagrams specialize in displaying the logic of a circuit. Recall that circuit logic explains what happens to the circuit when a component switches its position. For example, circuit logic would explain which components gain or lose power when a switch opens. There are two parts to a ladder diagram: the diagram and the legend. The legend is the best place to start when reading a ladder diagram. The legend will explain the meaning of certain symbols on the ladder diagram. For example, look at the legend to the right. You can see that the legend explains abbreviations like CC, EFR, and HR. Without reading the legend, you cannot understand the abbreviations on the diagram. Recall that each symbol on a diagram represents a component within the circuit. Ladder diagrams place each component in the circuit between two vertical power lines called L1 and L2. Each symbol is on a horizontal line between L1 and L2. The horizontal lines are called rungs. Each rung represents one circuit within the electrical system. Recall that electrical systems have multiple circuits. Since systems have multiple circuits, the ladder diagram will have multiple rungs. Lines between symbols represent the flow of current in the circuit. Lines between components do not represent the exact wiring you will find in the field.